students. In first we discuss about, listen, today's class is maths. What's the second topic? Second topic is numbers. So today we see maths and second lesson we have to see what is the second lesson, numbers. Today we have discuss about count till 9. 9 வரைக்கும் எப்படி count பண்ற அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்க போறோம். Listen, second one, count forward, then count backward. These three topics we will discuss in this class. Okay. So first we see first one, count till 9. So up to 9 we count. Okay. First write number. What's the number? It start with, alright, number, name also. Number, names. So, do you know the number? What's the first number to start? It start with 1. Okay. So, today's class we see 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the numbers names also you have to write. You want to write numbers names also. Okay. So, start with first number. So, 1. So, what's the, how did you write 1? O-N-E. 1. Okay. Then 2. What's the spelling for 2? T-W-O. This is the number names. The number order name வந்து எழுதுறேன். So, O-N-E, 1. This is the number names. Then 2 means T-W-O, 2. Okay. Then 3. What's the spelling for 3? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay. Then 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Okay. Then see 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Then 6. S-I-X, 6. Then see number. So numbers, number names. So we see what we see last. This is 6. Then write 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Then write 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then last one 9. So 10 we see the next class. Okay. So 9. Up to 9 only today class we see. So N-I-N-E. So what's the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is spelling for 1? O-N-E, 1. Then 2, T-W-O, 2. Then 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Then 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Then 6, S-I-X, 6. Then 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Then 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. So first we finish count till up to 9. Then what is the next one? Count forward. So see the next one. Count forward. What's the meaning of forward? So how count more than, after. Okay, count after. So forward means more than. So you say more than or after. So you say more than or after. Okay, this is the forward. So forward means what is it? More than, you say more than or after. You study last year after. This year you study more than. Okay, more than. This is the correct word, more than. So first one, 2, comma, listen, 2, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, enough. 1, second one, 4, then third one, 6, comma, dash, comma, dash. Okay, fourth one, so start with 6, 7. Okay, listen. So sums is given here. So 2 dash dash dash. So we say, what's the meaning of forward? We say more than. Okay, don't say after. After you study last year, this year more than. You say more than. So 2 after you say what is it? 3. Okay, but you didn't say after, but you say more than. 2 more than 3. So 3 more than 4. Then 4 more than 5. Okay. So ஒன்று add பண்ணுறேன். அடுத்த நம்பர் என்னன்னு கேட்காங்க. More than means அடுத்த நம்பர். அடுத்தது என்னன்னு போகணும். Then 4 more than 5. Then 5 more than 6. 6 more than 7. Okay. Then here 6. 6 is here. 6 more than 7. 7 more than 8. That means after number you write 8 more than 9. Then write next one 7. 7 more than 8. Then 8 more than 9. Okay. So count forward means what you have to say. You say more than. 2 more than 3. 3 more than 4. 4 more than 5. Here 4 more than 5. 5 more than 6. 6 more than 7. So you studied last year after. So don't say after, you say more than. 6 more than 7. 7 more than 8. 8 more than 9. So that's the answer. Okay, then we see what's the third one? Count backward. Okay, then third one is a count backward. What's the meaning of backward? So it's less than or before. Okay, so what's the meaning of backward? It is less than or before. So backward means you see less than or before. Okay, so backward means what's the meaning of backward? Less than or before. Okay, so we write dash, it's the first sum, dash, then 5, then 2 dash dash 7, then dash dash 9, dash 4, so 3. Okay, listen here. So count backward. What's the meaning of backward? It's a less than or before. So study, you write last year before, this year you say less than. Okay, so 5 less than, that means one குறைச்சிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. Before number you say. What's the 5 less than? 4. Okay, ஒண்ணே குறைக்கிறோம். So 4 less than 3. Okay, or before, you say before. So 7 less than 6. Okay, then 6 less than 1 குறைக்கிறோம். 6 less than 5. Then see, then last this sum here 9 is given. So 9 less than 8. Then 8 less than 7. Okay, then last 3 is given. So 3 less than 1 குறைக்கிறேன். 3 less than 2 முன்னாடி உள்ள நம்பர் எழுதுறோம். So 2 less than 1. Okay, so what we have to see today's class. Next on exercise, count and write the names. Count and write number names. Okay, here count how many balls are there. So you see the balls, how many balls are there? 1 2 3. So what's the number here? Number is 3. So number name, did you write what's the spelling for 3? So what's the spelling for 3? Number name T H R E E. So 3. Okay. So what is asked? Count and number names. Okay. You have to count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3. So number is 3. Number names T H R E E. 3. Okay. Another one example. See. So this is a tree. Have you all seen the tree? Yes. Is that tree? How many trees are there? How to count the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number is, what's the number? 5. So number is 5. What's the spelling for 5? So number name 5. So F-I-V-E. What's the spelling for 5? F-I-V-E. Okay. So you have to count a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5. Write the spelling F-I-V-E. Okay. So what's today's class we discussed? We learned what is count, numbers and number names. Okay. How many numbers we have to see? You have to see for 9 numbers. How did you write? O-N-E 1. See the spelling also. Then count forward. Count forward means what's the meaning of forward? More than. Okay. More than or after. So 2 after 3. 3 more than 4. 4 more than 5. So 4 more than 5. 5 more than 6. 6 more than 7. Then count backwards. So backward means it's a less than or before. முன்னாடி உள்ள number சொல். So 5 dash dash 5 is given. So 5 less than 4, 4 less than 3. So before number you have to say 7 less than 6, 6 less than 5. So here it says count and write the number name. So you have to ball. How many balls are count and write the number names. T-H-R-E-E 3. Here 5 trees are, so write 5-5-V-E. So today we discuss about the second lesson, numbers. We see the 3 topics. So you write in your rough note and do this sums. Okay, this sums and this sums and this also. So we will see the next class. Thank you, students.